Hi, I'm Casey Goodman, principal at Cecilia Valley Elementary School. We are super excited about the 24-25 school year, and we're ready to welcome our new students and returning students back into the building. Go Bruins!
Well, hello. We are here trying to get people to sign up for the PTO today. Our PTO does most of our fundraisers for our school. We do a fall festival in the fall. We do some gift card fundraisers. We do a readathon in the spring where we give kids incentive to read. And we are here looking for parent volunteers because we have a lack of parent volunteers most of the time. And so we would have you come in and we would have you help us with some of our activities. We could do bigger and better things the more people we have. So we're doing a giveaway today if you come. We have an email if you sign up online. I think we could do that too. And we have a Facebook page at Cecilia Valley PTO on Facebook, or you can email us at ceciliavalleypto.com.
Hello, my name is Tammy Riggs and I'm the Library Media Specialist here at Cecilia Valley Elementary School. I'm looking forward to the 24-25 school year. We have lots of things going on in the library this year. We'll have a literacy night in February, our book fair is in February. We're going to be starting a new accelerated reader program, and more information will be going home about that for our 2nd through 5th grade students. We just have lots of things going on. I'll be seeing your students every week for checkouts and also for doing some library lessons. So I'm looking forward to a great year.
Hey, my name's Jen Ryan and I'm a parent volunteer here at Cecilia Valley. We run the Dojo store, which is our PBIS reward system store. It's kind of like, think Mr. Gaddy's. The kids earn points all year long on Dojo, and then once a month they get to come and shop. We gave away some really cool prizes last year, like Stanley's and Lululemon bags, and so we're here collecting donations, and then we do some fundraisers through the year to help fund the store.
Hi, I'm Mr. Jenkins. I'm the PE teacher at Cecilia Valley Elementary School.
Hi, I'm Jace.
Hi, I'm Kinley.
We're up here at Open House, ready to meet some new families and get the school year started.
Welcome back, Cecilia Valley families. My name is Donna Probst. I'm the Family Resource Center Coordinator here at Cecilia Valley. We wish you all a very great back to school. If there's anything the Family Resource Center can help your families with, please do not hesitate to call. My number is 270-862-3287, and welcome back.